Welcome to Changes for a Lifetime, the channel where you can expect to learn something new weekly. Today it's going to be a plant-based recipe. So earlier in the year I did a fat loss plan. It emphasized reducing carbs in the diet. I didn't know about that before, but it makes a huge difference. So this recipe is based on that, reducing carbs in the diet. Today we're going to swap brown rice, which is 45 grams of carb, for cauliflower rice, which is only 5 grams of carbs. When carbs are in the body, they turn to sugar, and sugar feeds cancer. So today is a plant-based recipe: cauliflower rice, lemon garlic cauliflower rice. Keep watching, you all. We're going to do this. It's going to be delicious, and I know you can do it too. Keep watching. Here's our cruciferous vegetable cauliflower, and I've picked off the big leaves at the bottom, and I've actually already used some of this cauliflower. But as you can see, there's some brown spots. So, just kind of shave them off. They come off very easily. You don't want to eat that. Might be mold setting up. Okay, and then, you have to use these bags. You don't have to, but it makes a difference in the longevity of your vegetable. So I kept it in here. It says 7 times longer, but I just need it for it to last 7 days. Okay, so then cut this part off, the base, as much as you can. Okay, so you can get to the leaves. So to make the cauliflower rice, we have to shave it off. You can do it 2 ways. We can use a grater and use this side. Use this side, you all, the big side. And just sort of keep going like this until it's all gone. But that takes a while, but it's doable. If you got time, do it like this. My preference is a food processor. When you use a food processor, it grades it up very finely, just perfect. You're trying to get rice-sized pieces. So I'll show you how I've done that. Okay. So I'm going to remove the florets right now and place them in this food processor. Just kind of work around the base here. Just work around the base. Okay. You can save this piece here for soup stock. Not too big in the food processor. Just chop it up. And then you just have to pulse it, okay? Don't just let it spin, because we're not trying to make it be granular. We just want it to be the size of rice, right? Just the size of rice. So I'm going to continue to do this, and then I'm going to show you how it looks. Okay, filled it up. Now the pulse part. Oh, I don't have it snapped all the way. You gotta have it all the way locked from the food processor at the top. Now let's roll. See how it's getting smaller? Oh, that's as far as I can go, you all. Doesn't take long. I think that's good enough. See how it looks? Already got some made. So the next step is the seasoning. Okay, so that's what we're going to do next. That's the most important part. Because just like this, it's not going to be real tasty at all. Flavor part. I'm heating up a tablespoon of olive oil. You can use coconut oil if you like. So I'm heating this up, 1 tablespoon, and the zest of 1 lemon. You can use lemon or you can use lime. But I want to make sure that you know not to get too much of the white part. You're just trying to get the outside of the skin and the zest of a whole one. Medium sized. You just zested, you all. Just zest it until you have hardly any left. Okay, and then 1 garlic clove. 1 nice big clove. You want your lemon garlic cauliflower rice to be full of flavor. And so when you're cooking like this with fresh produce, you can tweak it to how you want it, okay? If you want more garlic flavor, add another clove. Okay. Those are our fresh, and then we've got a teaspoon of parsley and a half a teaspoon of salt, Himalayan sea salt, and 3 to 4 cups of cauliflower rice that you've grated or done in the food processor. So those are the ingredients. 3 to 4 cups of cauliflower rice, teaspoon, half a teaspoon of Himalayan sea salt, a teaspoon of parsley. You could do parsley, you could do cilantro, lemon, zest, and garlic clove, 1. All right, let's see if this is hot enough. I'm going to begin with putting the cauliflower in. Make sure the oil is in the middle of the skillet. Spread it around. Then our salt and parsley. It only cooks for 3 to 5 minutes, you all, not that long. And then our zest and garlic. Just cook it for 3 to 5 minutes. You could put onions in here if you wanted to. The sky is really the limit. Yes! So I'm going to finish cooking this, and I'm going to plate it and show you what it looks like. I wish I could really show you what it tastes like, but I can't show you that. But this is it, you all. Cauliflower rice. Cook it 3 to 5 minutes. Not so it's mushy, but so that the texture is a little bit soft. And really, you could eat this raw, you all. Okay, we'll keep doing this and I'll plate it up for you. Well, here's our rice. Doesn't it look like rice? Let's see. Definitely full of flavor. But to be truthful, I'm not going to just be eating this just like this. You know, we have to add something to it. I do. So I've been heating up my vegetables over here on the stove. I'm going to put this on top of it. This will make it worth it. And even better. So you can do it like this, the cauliflower rice. You can add it to a wrap. It is so versatile. Versatile with the flavors, how you use it. And a little vegan cheese. If you want to put some other kind of dressing on top, you could. A low carb meal. If you learned something new, please subscribe, share it with someone that you love. I appreciate you watching Changes for a Lifetime. Peace and blessings, and I'll see you next week.